So let's talk about the MetaMask airdrop and the latest information that we know regarding their token allocation and everything that you need to do to be able to go and grab it. So make sure to leave a like if you like this type of video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and we jump straight onto the laptop. The first thing first, I want to go and emphasize a little bit on the volumes and what we are in the hype of the perpetual DEX. Now, a few protocols that we talked about are Gravity and Pacifica. Well, I want to emphasize what I prefer and why and where you should go and trade. As we see here, Pacifica has $681 million. And if we take a close look at it, it had a peak at 1.7 billion. And then since 15 days now, the volume has just gone a bit lower and lower and lower. They're still making about 800 to a billion in 24-hour volume, which is great. But another one that we did talk about is Gravity. Gravity, as we see here, instead is the complete opposite of Pacifica. The volume keeps on rising from the 1st of October, which was here at 691 million. We see it now rising and rising on a steady, nicely daily base. And now we have it at 1.08 billion on the day, which is just started by the time I recorded this video. And on the week, which is a Thursday, it's already at 4.6 billion compared to the last week with 6.86 billion, which means that we will have higher highs and more into it. So, looking at this chart, what I would recommend is to go and join Gravity. Gravity, I will leave the link down below. They have an airdrop, and the season 2 airdrop, which for all of you that might be joining now, it's more rewarding than the season 1 airdrop, because the season in total there will be 22% allocated to the airdrop. And as we see here, the season 2 will receive 12%, and the point is already on. Season 1, which is over, it's only 10% of the total airdrop. So there is more to be earned if you enter now than if you did enter at the beginning, and I will leave you down below. All you gotta do is simply deposit over here from your MetaMask wallet, super easy, from either Arbitrum, BNB, or Ethereum, and then go and trade. Open long, open short. As we see here, I do have $1,479 to go and open a trade. And what would I do? Well, I'll either go and open a trade on Bitcoin or Ethereum. However, the other thing that you can earn the liquidity and earn points with is to hold open interest, which means to open alt position. One great thing could be Solana, Chainlink, AVAX, the most secure one. And by providing liquidity, you get the points as well as depositing. And also, if you do get liquidated, then you also earn points on that. So by looking at the chart, this looks like the best and the most rewarding for the long run, because it is growing steadily, as we see here. Very nice uptrend, aside from the day that the market is a little bit of a not a good thing. But as we see here on Pacifica, instead, on the daily, Pacifica is going lower and GRVT instead is going higher. So definitely recommend you go and grab yourself the Gravity airdrop. I will leave you the link down below. It looks like the best option to go and do it. And as well, if you are a trader or you just want to know or see a little bit more about trading, come and join my Telegram community. Free to go and join. I share what I think of the market, technical analysis, price chart, ups, down, where should we go, long, short, etc. So the link will be down below. Super chill to go and enter. But out of all of this, Gravity, which now stands at number 8 with again a billion plus in 24 hours for the 10th straight day in a row, is my choice to go and farm if I need to farm any of these airdrops. So make sure to go and join it. Now, talking about another airdrop which is rewarding you now, DeBridge Point Season 2 is completed. They have started Season 3. We have seen this on Season 1. The snapshot for the Season 2 happened on October 10th. And as we see here, we have Season 1 ended, which I did rank 88. Season 2, I did rank 1,602. I didn't do it too much. And now Season 3 is underway, and I'm already ranking it with 303 points. It just started yesterday, 27,000. So make sure to go. This could be a good airdrop if you have the possibility to do it. Why? Because not many people are actually farming it. More people are concentrating what, for example, Gravity or Pacifica or Perpetual DEX could be, which is absolutely great to see. But DeBridge already is going to have a Season 3 airdrop, and it is extremely easy to go and rank through it. So the link will be down below as well for this one. Make sure to go and participate. Potentially you have missed the bridging situation. We probably know about Jumper, we probably know about others, but DeBridge is one of those that you should definitely pay attention to and go and utilize it and farm it, because it is, in my opinion, under farm. Talking about another thing, which this is a little bit different, it's the first time that I do it, but I've seen a lot of hype going around about the Binance Smart Chain and the Memecoin, kind of like what Solana season used to be back then. This is one that I did put my eyes on. This is Manchu, which apparently used to be the dog of CZ. and it is a meme coin, as we see right here. As we see here, I follow it on Twitter. I'm, keeping an eye on it. The contract address is not live, so there's nothing to ape into it. But I will leave you the Twitter down below if you want to go and check it out. And as we see here, we can go and check the tokenomics that they will be released with, which it is this one right here. So they will have 1 billion in total supply. Liquidity pool will be burned, and there is gonna be no buy or sell transaction, which it is good. Now, I don't mean to go and ape in thousands of dollars. Potentially, I will go and play with about $100 or so that if you lose or if I lose, I'm not super fast about it. It's not that I play with. I'm not probably gonna play with not with $1,400 like I do have here with perpetual decks, but I will put into it, and it is always around this. The character CZ and his personality and his path. So this is what I'm gonna do, and this is probably the first one that I do keep an eye on. I've seen a lot of people hyping on and jumping on the train and on the hype. So why not give it a try? Why not joining it and see? Potentially could go bad, potentially could go good, but I will leave the link down below for you to go and follow them on Twitter. No contract address, it's not live yet. Now they're building the hype with other creators as well participating in it. So let me know what you think as well in the comments below. And if you do like these type of things, if you don't like it, I'm not going to be talking about it anymore. Next up, we have the MetaMask Ethereum over here, perpetual decks, and their actual advertisement. So let's go and look at this video together.
You'd have to be totally insane to trade with 40 times leverage.
My son started getting into cryptographic currency, and to be honest, it makes me sick to my stomach.
I've been trading penny stocks waiting for my big hit. And this idiot back here goes 100x on some cartoon crap coin. Unbelievable. That's not how you'll build a portfolio.
Give me a dividend-yielding blue chip all day.
Oh, look. I can make a meme coin, too. Whee! It's a talking sausage. Hey, everyone, sausage coin. Let's go.
So they talk about this, and as we see here, this is not financial advice. Trade perps on MetaMask Mobile. So this does look like one of the requirements to be able to go and be eligible for the MetaMask token. We know MetaMask token is coming really, really soon, and they also participate within the perpetual market over here, even though I do not really see it over here on the platform itself in the perpetual DEX leaderboard. However, they have it, and this one, in my opinion, could be one of the key aspect to be able to go and receive the airdrop, is to go and trade on their platform, to go and trade perpetual decks. And as well, they are pushing it quite a lot, which is it's nice to see, but they are pushing it in a way that they haven't done it before, and they are really on it. And they have already had an interview saying that the token will eventually come sooner than we think. And I believe this one is the way to go. As we see here, they are building on it. It doesn't even seem like a wallet anymore. It seems like a perpetual deck. So this is going to be the hint, and you can do it on your phone. Simply open the app and go and trade perpetual over there, which it is what they want from you. So with that said, make sure to do it. Make sure to cover. Make sure to let me know anything in the comments below. And I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.